फातोड्ड्या मल्टीपर्पज हॉलांत शेनवारा राष्ट्रीय सब ज्युनियर बॅडमिंटन सर्तीचे क्वार्टर फायनल राउंड जालो। तातूंत 15 वर्सां पिराये सकयल्या गटांत चल्यांचो टॉप मानांकीत प्लेयर सिद्धांत गुप्ताक 7व्या मानांकीत प्रणव रावान हरयलो। तशेंच चलयांच्या गटांत टॉप रँक कीर्ती भारद्वाजाक अनसीडेड विजेता हरीशान मारले।
More than 106 drone entries were there. The qualifying rounds were held at various places in Nargaon as well as in Vasco. And now we have started with the main round matches for the last 3 days. Today we are having the pre-quarters which were completed in the morning. And what you can see now are the quarterfinal matches which are going on. Tomorrow morning we will have the semi-finals followed by the finals in the afternoon session.
परवरी संजय स्कुलाच्या भुरग्यांनी शेनवारा शाळेच्या निमण्या दिसा दिवाळी मनयली। ह्या वेळार भुरग्यांनी नरकासुरय जळयलो, आकाश कंदीलय लायले, रांगोळी घाली आनी फोवय खाले। पळोवया परवरी संजय स्कुलाच्या भुरग्यांची स्पेशल दिवाळी।
We had a Rangoli competition. It was on a stage by the standard 11th and 12th students of the higher secondary. And in fact, it was a part of the Diwali celebration. Since we are supposed to celebrate Diwali, and this is individual performance, and some of them are group wise.
नरकासूर करता तेन्ना सराची परमिशन दिली, सरान आमकां परमिशन दिला आमी रेडी केली सर। घराच्यान सामान बीन हाडलें, मातशें इस्कॉलाचे पिवनान सुद्दां हेल्प केलें।
कितल्या लोकांनी
10 लोकांनी आमकां सगळ्यांनी सर।
Diwali, but it's made a nice Narkasur. Everything is nice. All students, teachers, and all staff. I thank everybody, each and everyone.
सुहानी दीपावली मनाई सुहानी मेरे
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.